Taylor Chase rose to recognition as a child actor appearing in family-friendly productions that made him a familiar face to audiences at a very young age. And like many child stars, his early career moved really fast. Auditions, sets, attentions, and praise. And all this happened before adulthood. At that stage, the industry rewards talent, obedience, availability, and not long-term emotional development. And here is something most people don't realize. Child actors often grow up performing an identity and not building one. Schedules replace school routines, approval replaces self-discovery, and when the roles slow down, something dangerous happens: silence. Now, for many former child stars, adulthood arrives without a roadmap. And in recent years, Taylor Chase has resurfaced in public spaces and interviews that prompted concern among fans, not because of confirmed events, but because of visible changes. Social media speculation now followed, but it's important to pause here. No official reports confirm wrongdoing, crime, or specific diagnosis. But what we are seeing is a public reacting to perceived vulnerability and not necessarily verified facts. Now, why does this story resonate? Taylor's situation resonates because it reminds us of others, actors both in Nigeria and other parts of the world, who were famous too young, unsupported too long, and expected to figure it all out alone. And when fame leaves before maturity arrives, identity fractures. And without strong systems, which are family, education, therapy, many continue to struggle quietly. Now, this is the issue with the business of fame. Hollywood, Nollywood, Bollywood is efficient but not compassionate. It celebrates success loudly and abandons silently. Child stars are profitable assets but rarely get protected as investments. And once the audience moves on, so does the industry. And that transition can feel like grief, losing relevance, income, and also your self-worth all at once. But what exactly is the real lesson here? It isn't judgment, it's simply awareness that fame without foundation is very fragile. Talent without support is risky, and success without identity can collapse easily under pressure. Now, Taylor Chase's story, whatever the full truth may be, reminds us that behind every childhood star is a human being still growing. What do you think the industry owes its youngest talents? I would really love to hear your thoughts. You can share your thoughts respectfully below. And if you value thoughtful breakdown like this, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brand Story School. And as usual, I will see you in the next video.